Hello everyone, welcome to Study APPSC. Today we are going to cover current affairs of July 1st. For regular updates, please join our Telegram channel Study APPSC. Okay, let's go to the first question. Who is the chairperson of 15th Finance Commission? He is N.K. Singh. N.K. Singh, Nanda Kishore Singh. The Finance Commission is a constitutional body. It is constituted by Article 280. The next question, Michael Martin recently took charges as Prime Minister of which country? It is Iceland. See, next question, which union ministry launched the Pradhan Mantri FME scheme? FME means formalization of micro food processing enterprises. See, which ministry means Ministry of Food Processing Industry. The total allocation is 10,000 crores. 10,000 crores, okay? But in the share is 60% is union government will take care of that, and 40% will be share coming from states, okay? Then which Indian became the youngest empire to enter International Cricket Council ICC elite panel? He is Nitin Menon. Who is that? Nitin Menon. Then Jux, a startup company that was recently acquired by Amazon. The Jux is a self-driving car company is acquired by recently Amazon. See, where is the headquarters of UNODC located? See, UNODC means United Nations Office on Drug and Crime. This UNODC recently released a drug report. In the drug report, the drug consumption in 2018 is increased 30% when compared to 2009. Okay, then COVID 19 health policy framed by IRDI. What is the name of health policy? See, the COVID health policy name is Corona Kavach. This framed by IRDI. Then, India's first lake in park located in Uttarakhand. Then, who is the head of Health Ministry's committee? Health Ministry's committee, which recommended the serological survey. The head of the Health Ministry committee is V.K. Paul. See, the committee constituted by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. See, the committee recommended a serological survey. This survey conducted by Delhi government. Okay, Delhi government with an association with NCDC. NCDC. The NCDC means National Central for Disease Control. National Control for Disease Control. See, in the survey, antibody kits, using that antibody kits which will be used for the survey has been developed by NIV. NIV means National Institute of Virology. Okay. Okay. Then another important abbreviation, DCGI, Drug Controller General of India. Okay. Then which Indian institution developed an intensive care unit grade ventilators under the name of Project Prana? See, that institution is Indian Institute of Science. The what is the components are using in ventilators that's made by in India? Okay. Then which Indian state has framed a dedicated commission to create employment opportunity for migrant laborers? The state is Madhya Pradesh. The commission is Madhya Pradesh State Migrant Labor Commission. See, Madhya Pradesh also started a Kill Corona. Okay. Then the Asian summits. The Asian summits. This is it is in a 36 summit. It is in a special one is in a virtual annual summit. Virtually Virtual Annual Summit held in Vietnam. That is the 36th Asian Summit. What summit it is? It is Virtual Annual Summit. Where it is held means it is Vietnam. See how many countries are member in Asian. That is in a 10 members. Okay, 10 members. Another one. What is the Asian? Asian meaning is a association of Southeast Asian nations. Okay, so association of Southeast Asian nations. Okay, then another one. Milton Glaser. Milton Glaser, who recently passed away, was associated with field. He is graphic design. Okay, okay. Convalescent plasma therapy project for treating COVID-19 named Platina by which state? Maharashtra. It is an a world first biggest therapy plasma therapy project for treating on COVID-19 named as Platina by which state means Maharashtra. Important. See the another one a one slogan is there, that is an a chase the virus. Chase the virus also is the one of the program in going in Maharashtra. Chase the virus. Who has been conferred with the lifetime achievement award for the contribution of statistics? He is our former governor, RBI governor, C Rangarajan. Okay, C Rangarajan. See, we know that June 29th. June 29th, what is the June 29th? 29th June, celebrating National Statistics Day. National Statistics Day. Then October 20. October 20 is International Statistical Day. Okay. See, this International Statistical Day is conducting every 5 years. Last statistical day is conducted on 2015. Now 2020 going to conduct. Okay. Then another one. What is the name of that? What is the name of that award? Is PC Mahalanobis. PC Mahalanobis Award. Okay. PC Mahalanobis Award. Okay. Okay. Asia's first continuous ray bar production recently launched by Dharmendra Pradhan in Punjab. Okay, Punjab. Swiggy launched own digital wallet. The name is Swiggy Money. Hamara Ghar Hamara Vidyalaya, initiated by which government? It is Madhya Pradesh. Which global institution has approved project for India called STARS? What is the STARS? STARS is a strengthening teaching, learning and results for state program. The which global institution is approved? It is World Bank. Okay, World Bank is approved that a project called STARS to India. Then the land is allocated for India's first marine cluster in Goa. See, Skill Connected Skill Connect Forum portal launched by Kerala. Gudani Johnson, new president of Iceland. Okay. See, this is the July 1st most important current affairs for your competitive examinations. For any doubts, you need to comment me in comment section. Then I will clear your doubts. Then any doubts and any suggestions, you need to just write in comment section. Okay, na? Then this PDF will be in our Telegram channel, Study PPSC. And have a nice day. Thank you.